Hi, my name is Mikkelsen Sabogal. I am 50 years old. I am from Guamalmeta. I am married. I have two sons and one daughter. They live in Washington, D.C. and Bogota. I study psychology at the National University UNAL in 5th semester. This is my house. I live in Villavicencio, Meta, out of the town in a condominium called Aldea de la Aurora. There are more than 99 houses here. I live in a big house that has 2 levels. There is a staircase that connects 2 levels. My home is white, the roof is red, there is a water tank on it. Upstairs you can find 3 bedrooms. There are beds and television. And 1 living room, there is a sofa and a TV. Upstairs you can find the kitchen. There is a stove and a refrigerator. On the first floor is the dining room that has a table and 6 chairs. Also another living room, there is a sofa and table. Outside I have 1 big backyard, there are trees. Also we have a pool in front of the house with a social zone, there is a TV. Thank you very much.